Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Assurance NZ, your best bud for making that New Zealand dream a reality. Today we're diving into the topic, how to fill out the Skilled Migrant Category, or SMC, resident visa application for New Zealand in 2025. This visa can be your ticket to living and working in New Zealand long-term, maybe even permanently, if you've got skills they need. I'll walk you through the steps to apply online, what documents you need, and some tips to boost your chances. Let's get rolling. But first, what is the Skilled Migrant Category, or SMC, resident visa? The SMC resident visa is for skilled folks who want to live in New Zealand. It's points-based, meaning that you get points for things like your age, job, experience, and qualifications. As of 2025, you need around 180 points to have a shot. If approved, you get permanent residency, PR, letting you work, study, and live in New Zealand forever, with a path to citizenship after 5 years. You apply online, and it takes about 6 to 12 months to process. Let's break down how to fill it out step by step. Step-by-step guide to fill out the SMC application. Step 1. Check if you qualify. Before you start, make sure you're eligible. You need 1. To be 55 or younger. 2. A skilled job offer or job in New Zealand paying at least 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour. No specific job list is needed, but it must be skilled, like nursing, IT, or construction. Check ANSCO codes on immigration.gov.nz to confirm your job's skill level. Level 1 to 3 is best. 3. Enough points, aim for 180 plus, for age, work experience, qualifications, and job offer. Use the points calculator on immigration.gov.nz to check. 4. Good health and character, you'll need medical and police checks. 5. Basic English, no IELTS needed unless Immigration New Zealand asks, but you must understand work instructions. You can include your partner and kids who are under 24 years old in the application if they meet health and character rules. Step 2. Calculate your points. The SMC uses a points system. Here's how you calculate your score. According to Immigration New Zealand's official website, immigration.gov.nz 1. Age, 30 points, if you're 20 to 29 years, 25 points, if you're 30 to 34, 20 points, if you're 35 to 39, 10 points, if you're 40 to 44, 5 points, if you're 45 to 49, and 0 points, if you're 50 to 55. 2. Skilled job or offer, 50 points for a job offer in New Zealand, at least 30 hours a week, paying 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour. Add 10 points if it's outside Auckland, 20 points if it's in a high-demand green list role, like doctor or teacher, or 30 points if it pays 1.5x median wage, that is 44.49 New Zealand dollars an hour. 3. Work experience, 10 points for 2 years experience, up to 30 points for 10 plus years experience. Add 10 to 20 points for experience in a shortage area or experience in New Zealand. 4. Qualifications, 40 points for a bachelor's degree, 50 points for master's or higher. Add 10 if it's a New Zealand degree or in a shortage field. 5. Partner skills, 10 to 20 points if your partner has a skilled job or degree. 6. Bonus points, 10 to 30 points for things like studying in New Zealand or having close family there. Use the online points calculator at immigration.gov.nz to estimate. You'll need 100 plus points to apply, but 180 plus is safer. A job offer boosts your points and chances. Look for skilled roles on seek.co.nz, tradeem.co.nz, or LinkedIn, using terms like visa sponsorship or skilled jobs. High-demand jobs in 2025 include nurses, IT specialists, builders, and teachers, paying 50,000 to 100,000 New Zealand dollars a year. Target accredited employers or green list roles for faster processing. Check immigration.gov.nz. Apply to 10 to 15 jobs, highlighting your skills and experience. Include a cover letter. Agencies like Working in New Zealand or ATOZ Visas can help, but confirm employers are legit to avoid scams. If you're loving these tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Also, drop your job hunting tips in the comments below. Let's help each other out. Alright, let's get back to the video. You'll need the following documents. Passport, valid for 3 months past your planned stay. For example, a passport expiring in December 2026 if you apply in September 2025. Photo, digital, 3.5 by 4.5 centimeters, JPEG or JPG taken in last 6 months. Job offer, if you have one. Letter showing the job role, the pay, at least 29.66 New Zealand dollars an hour. The work hours, 30 plus a week, and employer details. Qualifications, degree certificates or transcripts. Get them assessed by NZQA if the certificate is not from New Zealand. Costs 746 New Zealand dollars, according to nzqa.gov.t.nz. Work experience, letters from past employers stating your role, dates, and hours. Include payslips or contracts if possible. Health check, medical certificate and chest x-ray from an Immigration New Zealand approved doctor, listed on immigration.gov.t.nz. Costs 200 to 500 New Zealand dollars. Police certificate, from any country you've lived in for 12 plus months since age 17. English proof, if asked. IELTS, 5.0 minimum or work references showing you can communicate. Partner kids documents, passports, health checks, and police certificates if including them. For partners, include relationship proof like marriage certificates or joint bills. Funds proof, bank statement showing 2,000 New Zealand dollars for a return ticket or a flight booking. Step 5. Submit an expression of interest, EOI. The SMC process starts with an EOI, not the full application. Here's how. 1. Go to immigration.gov.t.nz and create a Real Me account. 2. Select Skilled Migrant Category Expression of Interest. 3. Fill in details. Name, passport number, age, job offer details, qualifications, and work experience. Answer health and character questions honestly. Lying can get you rejected. 4. Claim points for each section, age, job, etc. Be accurate. Immigration New Zealand checks everything. 5. Pay the EOI fee around 530 New Zealand dollars with a Visa, MasterCard, or Union Pay card. 6. Submit your EOI. If you score 100 plus points, though 180 plus is better, Immigration New Zealand, or INZ, may invite you to apply for residency within 2 to 4 weeks. If not invited, you can try again after 6 months or improve your points, like getting a job offer for example. Step 6. Apply for residency, if invited. If Immigration New Zealand sends you an invitation to apply, also called ITA, you've got 4 months to submit the full application. Here's how. 1. Log into Immigration online at immigration.gov.t.nz with your Real Me account. 2. Select Skilled Migrant Category Resident Visa. 3. Enter details from your EOI plus extra info like health and police checks. 4. Upload all docs in the Upload Documents section. Passport, photo, job offer, qualifications, work experience, health and police certificates, and funds proof. 5. Pay the application fee, 3,310 to 4,020 New Zealand dollars depending on family size. 6. Submit and wait 6 to 12 months for a decision. Check Immigration online or your email weekly for updates. If they need more docs, like extra references, upload clear PDFs within 7 to 14 days. Step 7. Get approved and settle in. If approved, you'll get a resident visa by email, letting you live, work, and study in New Zealand. You'll need to meet conditions for 2 years, like keeping a skilled job, to make it permanent. Apply for an IRD number at ird.gov.t.nz for taxes before starting work. If denied, Immigration New Zealand will explain why, like low points or missing documents. You can appeal within 42 days or reapply after fixing the issues. Once approved, you'll earn 50,000 to 100,000 New Zealand dollars a year in skilled jobs, and healthcare is mostly free for residents. You can also bring family later on partner-kid visas. Tips to boost your chances. 1. Max your points. Get a job offer outside Auckland, 10 extra points, or in a green list role, 20 points. Studying in New Zealand gives you bonus points. 2. Be smart when job hunting. Apply to 10 to 15 jobs on seek.co.nz or pickens.co.nz. Use agencies like Working in New Zealand or ATOZ visas, but verify employers on immigration.gov.t.nz to avoid scams. 3. Prepare documents early. Get police and health checks ready before your EOI, they expire after 12 months. 4. Be honest. Don't fake job offers or experience. Immigration New Zealand verifies everything. 5. Use a professional. Licensed advisors like Malcolm Pacific can check your application. They charge between 1,000 to 3,000 New Zealand dollars. 6. Learn English. Even if not required, practice basic work English to impress employers. 7. Apply early. Submit your EOI 1 to 2 months before your current visa expires to avoid gaps if you're already in New Zealand. Alright guys, that's the full guide to filling out the Skilled Migrant Category resident visa for New Zealand. From points to docs to job hunting, you're ready to apply and chase that New Zealand life. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more migration tips. Drop a comment, let us know what you're thinking. Don't fail to watch our next video. Keep grinding and I'll see you in the next video.